Hello everyone, greetings from the fairground. In the next minutes we want to focus on that diaphragm valve, and the specialist in that case is Martin Jüttner. Hello Martin.
Hello Doro, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. If we have a closer look on that, it seems that there is a similarity to the GEMÜ D41, is that right?
Indeed, and luckily, because this is from the same modular system as the new diaphragm valve system, but here we talk about the different distance piece with EasyLock technology.
Great. Do you have some more information, some more details about the D41?
Yes, the D41 with EasyLock technology is made to reduce maintenance time and increase safety, and for sure also save time at the end.
You told us about the EasyLock technology. Can you show us how that works?
Yeah, in principle we talk about this simple thing with this hexagon. I can use a ratchet or any socket. Here we've got a battery drill just to open the actuator, unlock it, take the actuator off, make the diaphragm change, fix it with a bayonet lock again and close it.
So that was really quick. Okay, so that means that the change is much faster than before.
Not only faster, yes for sure, but also safer and also more reliable. And also with that comes maintenance costs are reduced to the next to nothing.
Martin, if you had to describe the diaphragm valve with 4 words, what would you say?
I would say flexible, easy, compact and effective.
Can anyone here test it out?
For sure, that's why I have here a timer. And well,
can I try it?
You can try it if you want to have the cameras
No,
on. It's your
off
choice.
Camera. Bye bye.